Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Medical Classes by Dr. Srinidhi Kumar Acharya. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also please give your valuable comments. And you can also visit the playlist. And in the playlist, all the topics so far discussed has been arranged in a very systematic order, and it is quite easy for the study. Anyway, my dear friends, today we will talk about another important topic related to comorbidity, child health care. And this is again a unique topic. What is this topic? The topic is the concept of Stanya Shodhana. So why I have selected the topic is this is one of the unique topic of Ayurveda. So why I'm telling this is breast milk has been considered as best milk, and what contemporary science believe is that there is no purification is required for the breast milk because it is produced as an essence of the body nutrients, and it is pure by all means, and there is no further purification is required for the breast milk. This is what contemporary science says. But in contrary to this particular version, what Ayurveda says is even the breast milk is also need to be purified, and therefore we have got the concept of Stanya Shodhana, and Charaka also explains Stanya Shodhana Ganas like Pata Mahaushadha, etc. Now, what is the difference basically here? Contemporary science says that breast milk is best milk. It contains all the nutrients required for the baby. It is homogeneous. It is available in the body temperature or required temperature. It is free of contamination. It is baby specific and species specific. Therefore, accordingly, it contains all the contents. So these are all the things which is explained in the modern science or contemporary science. But the question comes, is really the breast milk is the best milk, and whether there is no any complications by the breast milk to the baby? 99% you can say yes, breast milk is very well tolerated by the baby and there is no much problems, and especially in disease conditions, whenever a baby is running through a disease, breast milk is the best milk. Okay, instead of giving some other food from the outside and creating some more problems, you go with the easily absorbable, easily digestible breast milk, which is homogeneous to the body, and that is the best milk. But not always. Breast milk do have some of the problem. For example, lactose intolerance. Lactose intolerance, there are many types of lactose intolerance. One is primary, secondary, and temporary. Primary, where the genetic problem is there. Secondary, where because of the disease, and temporary is because of the temporary or transient is because of the existing problem. Maybe the lactose milk is more, lactose accumulation is more, therefore the body is immature, intestine of the baby is immature, it is not able to produce good amount of the lactase. For temporarily there will be a lactose intolerance. This lactose intolerance may lead to so many other problems, anal excoriation, then diarrhea, many things are there. There are some genetic problems also, hereditary lactose intolerance to all the milk products including lactose. But what Ayurveda say is breast milk should be also purified. Therefore, they say about Stanya Shodhana Gana. The reason behind why they say is, according to Ayurveda, all the food is derived from the Panchamabhutas. The Panchamabhutikas are present in the Ahara, and this Ahara is consumed by our body, and that Ahara is get converted into Ahara Rasa, and ultimately into the Rasadhatu. Paramasukshma Bhaga, Rasadhatu is available. From where this actually Rasadhatu is originated, the Rasadhatu is originated from the Ahara. And from the Rasadhatu, as a Upadhatu of the Rasadhatu, there will be Stanya. So Stanya is nothing but Upadhatu of Rasadhatu. So now, as it is Upadhatu of Rasadhatu, it is derived from the Rasa, and Rasa is derived from the Ahara. Ahara is derived from the universe, and this particular Ahara vitiation is possible. Suppose a pregnant lady is taking Vata Prakopaja Aharas more, Pitta Prakopaja or Kapha Prakopaja Aharas in more, in dominance, then definitely there may be chances of vitiation of this. Okay, so therefore, if the Ahara itself is vitiated, definitely the Rasa is also vitiated, And if the rasa is vitiated, definitely the stanya is also vitiated. So therefore Ayurveda very clearly says even breast milk can also cause some of the problems. Okay, so we cannot assume that breast milk is totally safe. It depends upon the ahara vihara of the mother. If the mother is consuming some dosha prakopaka aharas, definitely that leads to a prakopita or abnormal rasadhatu. Abnormal rasadhatu may also lead to abnormal stanya. So this is very clearly explained. This concept is very clearly explained. But this particular concept is not there in the contemporary science. Okay, although there are some drawbacks of the breast milk. Majorly there is no drawback. It is very good, well tolerated. But there are some disadvantages of the breast milk. Maybe, for example, one is lactose intolerance, nutritional problems, okay, or mother is deceased, then how to feed the breast milk to the baby. So these are some of the problems related to the breast milk. Or mother is taking some of the medications, how do you feed the baby? Okay, because breast milk is also get affected. So this concept, but purification of this breast milk is not explained in the contemporary science. It is the greatness of Ayurveda that purification of the breast milk is also explained. And Stanya Shodhana Chikitsa is one of the major line of treatment whenever we talk about newborn disorders. Okay, Datri Shodhana, Stanya Shodhana, so this will be always there. So this is one point where Ayurveda stays at a higher level compared to the contemporary science, because we have gone into the depth and we have seen the problem from the root itself, because our principles are very solid principles. Okay, the principles upon which the Ayurveda is formulated, that's a solid principle, it is not shaky principle, and therefore we explain Stanya Shodhana for the breast milk. Also, although you consider breast milk as best milk, no purification required, it may be get vitiated. And when the baby consumes such a vitiated milk, definitely baby will have the problems. Therefore, you go for Stanya Shodhana. So this concept is very well explained, and this is very unique concept of Ayurveda. In nowhere in the modern science they give any drug for the purification of the breast milk. Purification of the breast milk. No drugs are available and no treatment is available. But Ayurveda especially consider this as a Vata Dushita Sanya, Pitta Dushita Sanya, Kapha Dushita Sanya, or Sannipata Dushita Sanya. And Charaka also explains Ashta Kshira Doshas. Vataja, Pittaja, Kaphaja, like that. Ashta Kshira Doshas are there. So ultimate explanation has been given about this, and this shows the greatness of Ayurveda. Okay, and different ganas are also explained. I think most of the drugs are Tikta Rasa, which helps to purification of the breast milk. And they also explains what happens if the baby is taking Vata Dushita Sanya, Pitta Dushita Sanya, Kapha Dushita Sanya. Very interesting subject, and usually it is also seen. So again, it shows that Ayurveda is very, very specific individually. Okay, so as a whole, I cannot say breast milk is best milk. Breast milk is best milk, but definitely breast milk is a best milk. But still, it also depends upon the ahara vihara of the mother. If the mother is consuming some abnormal ahara viharas, definitely her stanya will be get affected. So this is all for today. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also please give your valuable comments. Thank you very much.